Mr. Speaker.
Order.
It's unfortunate that this House is standing to lose its honorable title because the manner in which honorable members are conducting themselves in this assembly is not something appealing. And Mr. Speaker, I want to put you to task because the disrespect that has just begun is not just something that you can wish off. Because the standing orders are very clear that when the Speaker stands, every member of the Assembly should freeze and resume his seat. There is no way, Mr. Speaker, you can just sit there and then look around Honorable Ishmael, moving around and reiterating, and then you are on the feet, Mr. Speaker. This is a precedent you are setting, and that simply means that these honorable members will just not be there to disrespect you, or else they will just continue disrespecting you if you cannot enforce and ensure the standing orders are implemented under your watch. And finally, Mr. Speaker, it is not in order for the honorable members, for the honorable member Ishmael to purport and say that a unit of the police has just come, unless they have been sent here to investigate another group, which are their colleagues, because we know the investigating agencies and we know the police works. What that we saw yesterday at the stadium, Mr. Speaker, is something that does not overwhelm with us, because if there is insecurity in the rest, if there is any insecurity in this county, the insecurity is not at the office of the governor. So what were the police doing at the office of the governor instead of going and getting those perpetrators whom they think that they are the ones maybe creating insecurities around here? Mr. Speaker, enforce the standing orders, and any member who disrespects them, let him be sent home.
Honorable Cullen.